Are you watching Telecom TV? I'm Martin Warwick and I'm talking with Javier Ramon of Telefonica. Javier, good to see you again. How do you think telcos can utilise SDN to respond to the ever-increasing amount of data traffic that is flooding across the network?
A complex question because it involves actually two technologies that are interrelated but not exactly the same. I mean, the SDN, from our perspective, is gave us the ability to work in the lower layers of the stack. NFV is more intended to be focusing on the upper layers of that management of the traffic. So one of the big challenges is to find the right balance, not only end-to-end in the whole network. Obviously you need to do that, but also inside your own points of presence to understand what will be the right routes, so that you can interconnect them properly and you can put the right resources in the right place without wasting them too much.
And what about effecting more efficient traffic steering across the network?
First, we should understand what are our traffic patterns. At this moment, we feel quite comfortable in our current architecture with a set of pieces that are physical pieces that you place in some locations. You steer the traffic the best as you can, so you should be, if you have a better knowledge of how is the shape of your traffic, the composition of your traffic, and what type of things require one particular treatment and which one they require a direct route and so on, you can be way cleverer on the way that you are doing things. So that's pretty much we have a new tool set, and we need to get used to use it properly and not keep using exactly the same techniques that we used in the past.
And how does virtualization help at the very edge of the network?
I mean, one of the trends that we listen quite often and we like is that the most efficient way of doing things, if you can choose, is being able to centralize and concentrate. Obviously, because you have less locations to take care, less elements to consider, and so on. But the question is that at some point you should decentralize. Here, what we have a few things that are changing in our environment. We have a longer range access networks. We are not attached to the copper anymore, so we have more freedom to decide what are those locations, those points of presence. We can use it or we cannot use it, but that freedom is there. On the other hand, we have the ability to pile resources in a virtualized infrastructure, so that we have an homogeneous infrastructure that is not tied by the number of boxes that I have already and their particular capacities for a different function. So both trends that we are seeing right now in the network give us the opportunity to do different things and clever things in the edge, and be more agile on what we add in the edge. So in essence, in the insertion of the services and the identification and proper treatment of the subscriber profiles.
Javier Ramon, thank you.
Thank you.